Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the new Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month for February 2019. So with the new Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month for the month of February 2019, I decided to do something a little bit different. Not only did I make some cards with the kit, but I also made a mini album and a flip book from it. Now, I've already done an unboxing video for this particular kit, and I will put the link to that unboxing up there right in that corner over there, and also in the area underneath this video. So just to give you a short rundown, with the Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month, not only do you get the dies, not only do you get the card bases, the envelopes, you get cardstock, you also get ephemera, you get the double-sided tape, you get the pop dots, you get, oh my gosh, what is it that you don't get? You get the 6x6 paper pads, you get, I did say the cardstock, and you get so much in ephemera. And oh my gosh, it's like they provide you with just about everything minus the paper trimmer. Okay, so before I show you the mini album and the flip book that I made from items in this kit, let me show you the cards, okay? So let's look at this first one. This is a cute card, and I just love the colors that they're including in this kit, because you know what? It is so cold out there. It is winter out there, and I am so ready for some flowers and happy colors. So here we go. This is just a thank you card that I designed using cardstock, papers, ephemera, and stickers provided in the kit, and also the card bases that are provided in the kit. So this is one of the cards that I made, and I just love the way it came out. Oh, and I did pop dot it to give it a little bit of dimension. And here is another one. I can't tell you which one is my favorite card. I love them all. I just love them all. Here is a bright and happy card that I made with the ephemera, pop dots, cardstock, and paper that was provided in the kit, and of course the card base. And here is another card that I created, and everything, as you can see, falls in that one theme. And we have some paper from the 6x6 paper pad, and we have some ephemera, and even some gold foil stickers. Gold foil stickers that they include in the kit, and that's what the inside looks like. And this one is, oh my gosh, I just love that swan die cut. Okay, and how do you make this swan die cut? No, I didn't say it right. Swan die cut. And you do that with the dies that are provided in the kit. And so for the swan, what you get is this beautiful, intricately designed swan along with the wing. See, this wing part right here is what I put over here. And of course, here is the swan. And see how it has those tiny little feather cuts right along there? It is so intricate, so beautiful, and that is right here on the die. And you also get the crown. See this little crown right here with the heart? I actually use the paper from the paper pad in the kit, this very paper right here, to die cut this piece over here with the crown. And what you also get is this little mouthpiece with that, and that's going to be this die right along here. And you're also going to get dies for leaves and flowers, plus you do get a sentiment die. So pretty neat, huh? I just love that swan. And let me show you what I've done over here. Now over here, I decided, like I said, I wanted to do something different with this kit. Okay, I wanted to test the limits of my imagination. Made a mini album. All I did was I took 2 of the white base cards from the kit, and then what I did was I did a 1/2 inch gusset on one of them, and then a 1/2 inch gusset on the other one, and then with a double-sided tape that's provided in the kit, I just put one over the other, and I created a mini album that opens like so and like so. So let me show you real quick over here. Now this mini album, I'm using a belly band to hold it together, and this is from the cardstock that is provided in the kit, and also the ephemera from the kit. So we pull this off just like so. And we have another swan. Aren't they beautiful? I am in love with these swans. And so I went ahead and die cut a swan for this part over here. And I also die cut the sentiment. It says, "It's your day." And so there we go. This is what it looks like. And I added a little bit of bling with the gold sequin that is provided in the kit. And this beautiful paper that you see here, that is from that 6x6 paper pad that Spellbinders provides you in their card making kit. So we open it up like so. Don't you love it? I am loving this. It's pretty, it's contemporary, it's happy colors, and I just love that. And so we open it up like so, and here we have the other side of that mini album that I made from this kit. And what I decided to do in this part was kind of like an accordion style pages. And so let me set this down like so. And basically how we open this, and the one thing that I did use for my stash here are magnets, okay, to hold these pages down. So what I've done here is I used the paper from the paper pad and more ephemera, and I just left room for the pictures, and so it opens up like so, and it opens up like so, and then it opens up like so and like so, and it is magnetized, so it's kind of wanting to hold the pages down. And so just to give you a full look, see, this is what I mean by accordion style, for those of you who do not know what accordion style is. And this pink cardstock that I use was also from the kit. So it falls just like that, and then we close it like this, and we close it like this, and we add our belly band. It came out so cute. I love this project. So what do y'all think of my mini album from the Spellbinders card kit? Just leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think, if this is something that you would have done as well. So for the other one, I decided to create this flip book. Now, this flip book is not my original idea. I was inspired by one of my friends, my YouTube friends, Polly's Paper Studio, Jeannie made one of these, and as a matter of fact, I have made one of these, a video of this in the past where I showed you, and I linked you to her channel and everything. And I love how she makes her flip books so much that I just had to make another one. And this is also 100% from the Spellbinders card making kit for the month of February 2019. So once again, we have a belly band, and all this cardstock that you see here was provided in the same kit. So we have the ephemera right here, which I pop dotted to give it a little bit of dimension. And here is the front of the flip book. Now, as you can see, the front of the flip book holds the swan. It is an ephemera die cut swan that they've included in the kit, and it's so beautiful. It's the same shape, it's the same everything as the dies that they give you so that you can make your very own swans. And here are more from the kit. And so we have the embellishments right along here, and we have stickers. They also provide you with a ton of stickers in your kit. So we open it up like so, and as you can see, it's a birthday flip book. And then we open it up just like so. Whoops. Just like that. And it's so, you can decorate your flip books so beautifully with the items in this kit. And I tell you, they are very, very generous with everything that they provide for you in this kit, in their kits. And this is what the other one looks like. And you will notice a blank space over here. Now, this blank space I left here for a picture, okay? So that when I give this to my friend, she will have a spot to put her picture in there, picture of her child, grandchild, whatever she would like. And so, yeah, I thought this was really, really cute, a really neat idea. Thank you so much, Ginny, for the inspiration. And yeah, this is what I made with the Spellbinders card making kit for the month of February 2019. And oh yes, one thing I do want to point out is that now Spellbinders is also supplying us with not just with the card kits of the month, but they also supply us with some of the items from the card kits individually. So let's say that you just love these ephemera pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and find you the links to those pieces. Let's say you love the sequin, because their sequin is different than the other sequins that you get. They're shinier, they're brighter, they're happier color, they're not drabby, and they tend to be a little bit smaller than your regular sequins, which is more dainty than the regular ones that you can find elsewhere. So I will go ahead and find links to these items. You know, it could be the paper pad or whatever, and I will also post those items in the area underneath this video. I thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you once again real soon. Bye!